Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by pruning and choosing what matters. Remove apps you no longer use so organization actually sticks. Next, pick your dock apps, up to 5, for immediate access across screens. Once done, create 2 to 3 focused home screens, labeling them mentally as work, social, and utilities. You'll save time later if you group by purpose now. Make sure to enable a grid that fits your icons so spacing remains consistent and predictable as you continue. You now organize at the icon level. Long press any app to pick it up and drag it between home screens or into the dock. When apps of the same type sit together, drop one onto another to create a folder and give it a short, clear name like banking or messaging. Once done, leverage Edge panels and Samsung's suggested apps to keep frequently used tools one swipe away. Make sure to adjust the home grid so folders and icons align neatly for visual balance. Finish by refining. Change the home grid and icon size so everything is readable and evenly spaced, and move high-use apps closer to your thumb zone. You can lock the home screen layout or place sensitive apps in secure folder to prevent accidental moves. If icons jump or layouts reset, first restart your phone, then check the launcher settings or reinstall the launcher if corruption persists. If problems continue, backup layout, clear launcher cache, and restore the arrangement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.